guys, if you are new, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a very quick one. Beetroot and banana juice. Cut your beetroot into pieces, cut your banana into cubes, and get your blender ready. The next thing you need to do is to pop this beetroot into your blender. Get in your ice cubes or your chilled water, yes, and just get on blending it. Now if you're a sugar person, you can add a little bit of sugar, but I'm not really a sugar person, so I just added like 1 spoon of sugar. Now after you've blended the ice and the beetroot, you pop in your banana, put in the sugar, put in some more water for the liquid texture of the juice. Blend even more and your juice is ready. This will just take you less than 5 minutes. Guys, this juice is so delicious, this juice is healthy, and this juice is like the easiest thing you could ever do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will enjoy making your own juice. I enjoyed making this for you guys and I enjoyed having it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Bye bye. I hope to see you next time.